4. Solve the equation 3x minus 2y plus z is equal to 2, equation 1. 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 5, equation 2. X plus y plus z is equal to 6, equation 3. By adding equation 1 and equation 2, we have 5x plus y is equal to 7, equation 4. Again, by adding equation 2 and equation 3, we have 3x plus 4y is equal to 11, equation 5. Multiplying equation 4 by 3 and equation 5 by 5, we have 15x plus 3y is equal to 21 and 15x plus 20y is equal to 55. By subtracting minus 17y is equal to minus 34, minus plus, or y is equal to 34 by 17 is equal to 2. Now putting the value of y in equation 4, we have 5x plus 2 is equal to 7, or 5x is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, or x is equal to 5 by 5 is equal to 1. Now again putting the value of x and y in equation 3, we have 1 plus 2 plus z is equal to 6, or 3 plus z is equal to 6, or z is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3, answer.